Oh, so moist. Come with me because today we are about to make one of my favorite cookies. If you like pinoli cookies, you're gonna love these. So make sure you save this video and share it with your friends. Today we're making my pistachio cookies. Let's get started. If you love pinoli cookies, you are going to love these cookies. These are my pistachio cookies, and they are made with nearly the same technique as my pinoli cookies. And I know you all love them because over 100,000 of you viewed and shared my pinoli cookie recipe. So you're going to want to do the same for this. Let's get started on the dough for our pistachio cookies. So in the bowl of a stand mixer, I'm going to add in 2 cups of pistachio flour. To that, I'm going to add in 1 cup of granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, and 2 large egg yolks. I'm going to give that a whirl. Now you just want to scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl just to make sure you have everything off the bottom and the sides. Now with the mixer on low, I'm going to add in 3/4 of a cup of white chocolate chips. I use Lily's brand chocolate chips. I love them. And what I love most about them is I'm saving calories where I can. They're no sugar added, and they bake and taste just like traditional white chocolate chips. So we add those in and we give it a final swirl around. Give the bowl one more scrape, and now we're going to start forming the cookies. So essentially what we just made was pistachio paste. It's the same technique you would use as if you were making pinoli cookies using almond paste. And this is what she looks like. And we just added white chocolate chips. So I have a cookie sheet here that I lined with aluminum foil, and we're just gonna start forming our cookies. Again, the same exact way you would use or you would form your pinoli cookies. What I have here is 3/4 of a cup of chopped up, roughly chopped, don't worry about if some of them are whole or not, pistachios. And we're just gonna take a scoop of our dough, roll it into a ball, just like that. And then we're gonna pat it down so we flatten it out, just like that. And then we're gonna dip it and press it into the pistachios, just like that. And then we're gonna put it on the cookie sheet. So I'm gonna form the rest of these cookies, and then I'll show you the next step. All of our pistachio cookies are rolled out and formed and topped with our chopped pistachios. So now we're gonna pop this in a 350-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or just until the sides start to get golden brown and the bottoms are nice and set. Our pistachio cookies are done, fresh out of the oven, and tell me they don't look gorgeous. Now we have to taste them. Look at how beautiful it came out. Let's break it open. Oh, so moist and chewy inside. Look at that. Right here. Wow. These cookies are out of this world. If you need to wow somebody, or a group, you're having a party, you just want the perfect sweet treat, this is it. These are fantastic. They're soft and chewy in the middle. They're nice and crispy on the outside. Look at the bottom of that. Golden brown. They have a creamy taste to them from the white chocolate chips that are melting in there. These are absolutely fabulous. It hits every single point in a cookie that you want. Danger on a plate. I can't stop eating these. This is gonna be a problem. Guys, if you want the recipe, and I know you're gonna want this for my pistachio cookies, just comment the word recipe in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. Thanks so much for hanging out in my kitchen today. Oh my God, I can't.